Exercise 13. To our relief, they came early. We are leaving today, and we should reach Winnipeg in a day or two. Who will be going to see the Army and Navy game? If we wish to get to the game early, we should be ready in an hour. Ask Jack for a rug. Ray and Ruth are reading the book The Arm of the Law. We wrote to them asking them to rush the job, and they say they will have it ready in a month. We may be wrong, and if we are, we shall readily give him our apology. The check was put in an airmail envelope, and it should reach them today. Exercise 14. So far, we have had a fair share of luck. We do a thorough repair job at our shop. We can fetch your car and leave it at your door. We rang the bell, but nobody came to the door. A year ago, Jim O'Dare bought the ranch belonging to the Perry family. The large ridge at Red Gap was rich in ore. It will be easy to make an error and take the wrong road. We fear we shall have to borrow money if we are to carry on the factory. We should add enough money to the fee we give him to pay for the fare. The jury may think the youth should get money for the injury. We have thanked him for the money we had to borrow. They may thank the judge whose stock was put on the yard for the change in the factory law. Exercise 15. The charge for the rug was put on your March bill. We wish to remove any fear they may have, and we shall urge them to engage a lawyer. May we take Polly and Jack to see the parade on the 4th of March? We shall make up a party and have lunch at the cake shop. We are making a tour in Italy in March. Our party should be in Rome on the 4th of the month. We shall get back to Canada in May. The usual charge of parking the car at the garage was £2. We saw a copy of the rare book in the shop window. It should pay the farm to go on the air daily. Paul King was put in charge of the factory early in March. We can put a mark in red at the bottom of each page we check. Exercise 16. Mary and Jack are to be married early in March. We wish to go to the wedding, but they may be married in Rome, and it will be too far away. We shall ask the lawyer to talk for an hour. They will take a lorry load of coal to the shop today or tomorrow. Wrap the package and mail it today. We think we ought to insure the package. We have given them no authority to change the policy of the farm. We get our milk at the dairy farm, and we usually pay our bill monthly. The living room was at the rear of the shop. The door was too narrow, and we had to remove it to get the large package into the room. Mary, whose memory was poor, read a different page of the book each day. We can change the color of the fur wrap today, and the lady may come in for it tomorrow.